Hello, my amazing subscribers and students. Happy New Year once again. It is 2025, and I hope you are ready to make this year your most productive year. I have some exciting update for you. I've officially partnered with the leading manufacturing company in India, which I said in my last video. This company produce top quality construction chemicals, including products for block molding, cement, interlocking, and pigments for coloring. In my next video, I'll relieve everything you need to know about this product and how to purchase them using my affiliate link for a discount price. And of course, you're going to have a free gift when you use my affiliate link to purchase any of this product. So stay tuned. And of course, yes, this product is going to be beneficiary for those of us that are into paint production business. I'm going to give more enlightenment about it. But for today's video, let's dive deep into emulsion paint. Yes, what is emulsion paint? A lot of us, we know the word emulsion paint and we are into paint manufacturing business. But for those of us who don't have an idea about paint manufacturing and what this emulsion paint is all about, we only see the preview when we pass other shops where they sell paint. So emulsion paint simply means, or you can simply put it in this way, it's a water-based paint made with pigment, binders, additives, solvents to create a smooth, durable finish. Emulsion paint is popular because it is easy to apply, it dries quickly, and it's cost-effective. It is perfect for both interior and exterior walls, making it a go-to choice for home, offices, and even commercial space. So now let's look at the types and grades of emulsion paint. Yes, we have different types of emulsion paint and grades of emulsion paint. So it is very crucial for you to understand this aspect. One, we have plastic emulsion paint. This emulsion paint is a water-based paint with high durability and smooth finishes, ideal for interior walls. And the next is emulsion metallic paint. Yes, we have emulsion metallic paint, and this paint is quite different from the slicky metallic paint and the oil-based metallic paint. Are you surprised? Yes. So metallic emulsion paint contains high metallic pigments plus other advanced chemicals for shining and reflective finishes. And the third is slick emulsion paint. Slick emulsion paint offers a soft, stable shine, perfect for high traffic areas and like kitchens and highways. 4. Matte emulsion paint. Matte emulsion paint provides a flat, non-reflective finish, ideal for hiding imperfection on walls and ceiling. And then the fifth is eggshell emulsion paint. Eggshell emulsion paint is a low shine, washable finish emulsion paint used for walls, trims, and furniture. Please take note. This is very important. Slick emulsion paint and matte emulsion paint are different from matte eggshell paint and slick paint because they have different chemicals usage and different production process. We have matte eggshell paint. It is different from eggshell emulsion paint. And we have slick paint. And slick paint is different from slick emulsion paint because of the usage of chemicals. Those of us that are already into paint manufacturing, we know that when it comes to slick paint production, we don't add calcium, you understand. But when it comes to slick emulsion paint, we add calcium. So that is why I'm trying to educate you so you don't get yourself confused. When you hear the word slick emulsion paint, you start thinking I'm talking about slick paint. No, please, we have different usage of chemicals and production process. So I just wanted to enlighten you more on this. And then the next is acrylic emulsion paint. This paint contains acrylic binder for added durability and weather resistance. I'm not saying other emulsion paints don't have acrylic binder in the addition of into the production process. They all have, but this particular emulsion paint has more higher addition of acrylic binder plus different chemicals to enable it give you the durability you want, and of course with the name acrylic emulsion paint, you understand. So there's some certain chemicals you make use in this production process. And then we have vanilla emulsion paint. So this vanilla emulsion paint is it enhanced it is enhanced with the vinyl for added durability and stain resistance. And you can use it in areas prone to dirt or moisture, like bathrooms and kid rooms. Okay, let me quickly add this. You see, at times, when it comes to applying paint, you understand, to the surfaces on wall, we have different usage of paint. Like be it emotion paint. For instance, there are some specific emotion paint you can use for ceiling, and there's some specific emotion paint you can use for the living room, and there are also specific emotion paint you can use for the bathroom. So when you know these different types of emotion paint, you will know the one that is suitable to use on different surfaces when you are educating your customers, or when your customers want to make order for emotion paint. You let them know that there are different types of emotion paint, because by the time you use these different types of emotion paint on different wall surfaces, you will see the beautification, and of course you're going to save your customers from spending more, because most of the times they might not have the required amount to purchase high decorative paint. So you can educate them on these different uses of emotion paint, and of course you can show them samples and they might want to try it out, you understand. So the eight types of emotion paint is texture emotion paint. This paint is designed to create decorative texture on wall, often used in futures walls like artistic design, you understand. And then the ninth is eco-friendly emotion paint. This paint has low or zero VOC. Yes, VOC simply means volatile organic compound. You understand? So it is safe for sensitive environment like hospital or nurseries for kids. And then the 10 is washable emulsion paint. This paint allows for easy cleaning of stains and marks. You understand? So each emotion paint has its unique features and application, catering for different preference and needs. Just like I said, the different types of emotion paint can cater for your different needs and of course your budget. So now let's look at grades of emotion paint. Knowing the grades of emotion paint is very, very crucial for your business success, because understanding this grade is a game changer. Why so is one, match customer demands. Yes, customers have different budgets and preference, and knowing the grade, economic standard prime grade, helps you offer the right product at the right price. Please, you heard me. The right product at the right price. Two, control your costs. By understanding these different grades of paint, you can adjust your formulation to fit your consumer's price range. Do you understand what I simply means by fitting your consumer's price range? For example, the budget your customer has to purchase your product, it will enable you know the type of paint you can produce for your customers. This ensure you don't overproduce expensive grades for budget conscious buyers, because we have customers that this is what they want and that is what they can afford. So at the end of the day, if you go and produce a paint that is above their budget, they will not be able to purchase that product. And by then, what do you do for the already produced paint? You have no choice than to sell it off, and then you end up losing, not losing, you end up not making profit from that particular product. And then the third is maximize your profit. Very important. So selling a variety of grades of paints allow you to create not really create, let's just say allow you to cater to all market segments. You understand? You'll be able to cut costs where needed while maintaining quality and boosting your profit margin. Yes, because if you're able to maximize your profits, that's by selling different grades of a particular paint, not just emotion paint. It will enable you, you understand, to maintain quality, which is very, very important. And let me quickly chip in these pro tips for you. Always remember to balance quality and price to keep customers coming back while growing your business. It is very, very important, please. And these are the few, let's look at the few grades of emotion paint, because we just explained why it's important to know this grade, but we don't know, most of us don't have an idea what these grades are. One, economic grade is affordable but less durable. Two, standard grade. Standard grades balance quality and cost. Three, prime grade. Prime grade is a high ended grade. It has long lasting and often they are washable. And then the fourth grade, simply it has excellent coverage, stain resistant, long lasting, color resistance to wear and fading. And then we have the fifth grade, which is your hygiene grade, which most of us are not aware of this grade. So this grade is a specialized grade for hygiene, sensitive environment. It contains antibacterial or antimicrobial properties, highly washable. Yes, it is highly washable and resistant to mold and midwheel. It's durable and safe for frequent cleaning. Yes, there's some paint that you hear that it's washable and it's when you hear the word washable, you go and keep cleaning, and at the end of the day, the paint will either worn out, the color will fade, or it will you start seeing crack because of you are either cleaning it continuously to remove dirt with cleaning duster and water. But this hygiene grade, the more you clean, the more the paint is durable on the wall. So please try to understand these different types of grade. So now you might wonder why emotion paint remains so popular despite the growing demand for other decorative paint. Here is why. It is versatile and cost effective. It is environmental friendly and it is water based and low in VOC, which I've talked about. It provides excellent coverage and durability. It is affordable anytime, any day. It is easy to paint and repaint. Yes, easy to produce by making it a favorite choice for homeowners, contractors, and interior designers worldwide. So now, if you have ever thought about starting a paint business, 2025 is the perfect year to do so. Why so? Growing, because we have growing real estate market. This real estate industry continues to boom, increases the demand for frequently paints. And then we have the road construction project. Many companies use industrial grade paint for road markings and protective coatings. And of course, we have home beautification. You're living in a house, you understand? So people are investing in beautifying their homes, floors, and furnitures, which makes the paint production business highly lucrative with endless opportunities to serve different markets. So it's best you take advantage of these skills. I know many of you face challenges like lacking the right knowledge about paint production, not knowing the types of paint or the machinery needed, struggling to find capital to start your paint brand, or rather upgradement in your paint production skills. Because so many of us, we've enrolled in different trainings, we already know how to produce paint, but we don't know the advanced type of paint production, or we don't even have an idea on some certain types of paint. And yes, I know many of you want to enroll in my paint manufacturing course. but cannot due to funds. That is why I'm offering a free tutorial on how to start a professional emotion paint business in just 30 minutes. You'll be able to learn the necessary things you need to start your emotion paint manufacturing business. In this training, you will learn how to produce professional grade emotion paint, the exact step to start your paint business immediately, plus useful tips. And after this free course, you'll be equipped to start something amazing this year. If you wish, you can also advance your skill with my full course. My goal is to help you make 2025 your break through year. To join this free training, click the link in description below and sign up now. Don't miss this opportunity to start your professional paint manufacturing journey because it is free. I'm so excited to see what you will achieve this year, and I'll be here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where I'll be revealing everything about the construction chemicals and how you can start to benefit from it. Bye for now, and remember, the best time is to start now.